Okay, so here we are again. As we can see, it happened what I said this morning. This was my main target, and well, I looked for a trade here. Um, it was a pretty fucking frustrating day because I opened a trade here, stop loss, so 3 stop losses, 1, 2, and 3. This one was pretty clear, but my first intention was to place, well, this is my trade, which is pretty beautiful. My intention was to place break even and partial here, but it was late and I placed break even and partial here with this relevant liquidity on M1. And as you can see, this is the relevant liquidity on M5, the one that broke this high here is this one. And well, it took me out with break even and then it went down. Well, it would be 1 to 13. I'm happy because I understood everything, but this wasn't enough to recuperate the 3 stop losses. Okay, then we had this take of liquidity, and probably this is the relevant liquidity. Yeah, as you can see, perfect take, and we go down and we break here, relevant liquidity take, and we go down again. Well, after this, I had lunch, so here I was having lunch, and then I saw this movement to the upside, taking this relevant liquidity on M5, and here I had 3 stop losses. Okay, let's see why. I'm not pretty sure. I'm gonna have to study this. Okay, you can see I had a stop loss here with this candle. I entered maybe like, I don't remember, something like this, or here, something like this. No, it has to be like this. Yeah, more or less 1 to 5, more or less. Then stop loss. I think I entered 2 times, which was my mistake because 1 okay, but 2 too much. Then we take the high. So for me, this is the relevant liquidity. Well, and then I entered again here because we had like this SMT, this SMT here, and I entered here more or less. And as you can see, stop loss was above here. Maybe it was something like this, stop loss, and then we went to our main target, which was the relevant liquidity on M5. As you can see, we didn't take the low because the relevant liquidity is this one, so the price doesn't need to take the low. Okay, it's well, it's freaking amazing. So maybe I should have wait for more confirmation. this is the relevant probably because it's all together. So this is full liquidity and not taking the S&T here with this candle. Maybe this was trade, the correct trade. So yeah. Well, it fucked me because I was, as you can see, we were up 3,400 and now we are 2,100. And it was frustrating because I was right both times. But this is it. Not enough confirmation here. My mistake. Uh, okay. Opa. Okay. Well, this is it. This is it. It could have been a much better day because I understood all the price action, but not good trades. So this it is what it is. Here I didn't place a trade. I didn't see this huge trend line. Um, I didn't look for a trade. I was looking for a sell here. It would be perfect. As you can see, we take this liquidity, relevant liquidity is up here, relevant liquidity, and the perfect trade should have been here probably. Let's see. Okay, take the high, relevant liquidity here, um, relevant, relevant liquidity here, and then we have the move. This is pretty difficult because I don't see a good pattern, candle pattern, but it's okay for me. And then we have the movement that it was perfect. And gold, well, relevant liquidity here, relevant liquidity, and relevant liquidity, which I didn't trade. I wasn't focused on gold. I'm trying to learn from gold because I never trade gold. But this trade was pretty nice. Pretty nice. Maybe, well, it's not relevant because we didn't take anything, but yeah, I'm trying to learn, so it's okay. Well, this is it for today. I'm not that. I'm not happy at all. I like it. I like what I did, what I understood about everything, but I'm not happy because of the trades, and maybe I should be happy because I understood all the price action of the day. So, well, it is what it is, and I just have to keep studying and learning, and try to make less, well, fewer mistakes. Okay, so.